Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Resendez Brothers, California-grown proteas, bouquets, and wreaths.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, it's going to be snowing in Fallbrook, California, with real snow and amazing protea from Mel Resendez. The flowers we'll be using for today's project are from Mel Resendez and Resendez Brothers in Fallbrook, California. These gorgeous bouquets and beautiful pre-made wreaths are wonderful, and they're truly a Christmas gift that keeps giving. After these bouquets and wreaths have been used, they dry into a gorgeous state. Here's a wreath that I simply hung in my garage and let dry on the wall all by itself. Keeping it out of direct sunlight helped preserve a lot of the color. The bouquets look like this. Here, I've used one of the dried bouquets in a vase all by itself. We can also enhance them with glitter or sprays from Design Master. I used the gold spray glitter and just coated the entire bouquet. It gives it a wonderful glistening effect. So remember, after the holidays, these beautiful flowers keep on giving. These gorgeous protea grow in Mel's garden near San Diego, California. And we've got snow here in Michigan. So we'll combine the two together for a wonderful Christmas decoration. The first thing we need to do is mix up a little bit of snow. Our friends at JRM Chemical do that for us. We've got Snow Real. It comes in a jar and it also comes in envelopes. It's a quart of water and a tablespoon of Snow Real. We mix it into the water. One quart of water to 1 tablespoon of Snow Real. As it starts to set up, it's going to start to look like real snow. And as we add air to it, it looks even more like the real thing. We'll create a few votives first using the Snow Real and some of the floating patrician candles. Those will be accessory pieces that we can have running down the table. Again, as we add air to this, it starts to look more like real snow. It's the air in between the snow particles that gives the glistening effect. This is starting to thicken up, and we'll be able to add this directly into our hurricane. We're using the G3 Hurricane from Garcia Group Glass. It's 100% post-consumer recycled glass. And we'll add our snow into the hurricane. So I've added a couple more quarts of the snow. So we've used 4 quarts total to make our 2 votives and the hurricane. Now we could use a square candle or a round candle, and we'll place it right down into the middle of the snow itself. It's great because this is also a liquid product and it's non-flammable and non-toxic, so we can burn the candle and not have any worries. Our hurricane goes into the center. And our votives go off to the side. You could create as many votives as you wanted to extend this down the table, or maybe use 2 or 3 wreaths on a dining room table. It's a great way for us to introduce winter to Southern California. Snow Reel and Resendez Brothers Protea. A beautiful way to say happy holidays. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.